Okay, summer is already here. Everybody is cleaning their houses. So today there is deep cleaning the garage. Remove cobwebs with the cobweb brush. Trash. Clean this laundry area. See what is empty, what is garbage. Away everything that doesn't need is still clean behind the washer and dryer. Remove everything. And clean the floor. The floor is already stained, but it can be a little bit better. Jose is using a peroxide disinfectant multi-purpose cleaner and disinfectant, and Sonia Maria is organizing. The owner of the house has a lot of cleaning products, so we are gonna rearrange everything for her. Maria is cleaning this section and she's gonna remove the filter, and this is the reason why your clothes doesn't dry properly. And this is something that you have to take it out, because it not only takes more time to dry, but it's gonna be dangerous in case of fire or something like that. Okay, there is two ways to clean the garage, by section, but because we have to scrub the floor, Maria and Jose are removing everything we already is wiped down, but we are gonna remove it. Jose is gonna put it everything on the sides, because we are gonna use the truck mount to spray the product. Scrub with our phonics and garbage, dust. Vacuuming behind the washer and dryer. Okay, we already removed everything, dusted, clean behind the washer and dryer. The job, it doesn't request to remove any kind of oil stain, because this is not our job. But our job is to remove all the dirt and make the garage a cleaner place, you know? So we are using our scrubber. Let's talk about this machine. This is called Phonics, an orbital machine scrubber. It's a multi-service. This machine can scrub tile, cement, vinyl, wood, carpet, everything. So the beauty of this machine is that it has an onboard sprayer. Jose is spraying at the same time. It's scrubbing. And then we are going to rinse the floor. Beautiful. You can call us at 572-4118, any house cleaning.com. The rinsing moment. Yeah. So far, so good. We are rearranged. This is the section from the husband. Paint, pressure washer, battery charger, spot cleaning carpets, tools. Okay. All the picnic cooler, barbecue things are in this corner. Cleaning supplies, things about Christmas, Halloween, tools, pressure washing, paint,